Da ka jingsngewkhia ka bajur bat kum ka jingpynrem halor ka Jingshah Pyniap bat shah le beijot kawei na ka doktor ka bedang shah hikai RG Kar Medicla College bat hospital kibor pyniaid ka Bethany Hospital Nongpoh ryngkat ki doktor bat ki nurse mynta ka janmiet khan riu tarik Nailar ki pynlong da ka Thang Mombati kum ka jingsngewlem ka ka doktor bat ki haing hasem ki mat ikni ka jingjia ka basngausi. Dr. C.M Pohshna lembat ki wei ki doktor ki penpau begini snok tilang ban penpau ki jing persya halor kani ki Jingshah Pyniap ka doktor kumbalai ki ki doktor hakaling kari India. Kum ke jinga snok tilang halor kani ke Jingshah Pyniap kani ke doktor ha Kolkata na kaliang ki bor pyniaid ke Bethany Outreach Hospital kin khang ya ke OPD ha ka khat nyau tarik Nailar ke belong kum ke dak bagi sngosi thang halor ke Jingshah Pyniap kati ke doktor ha Kolkata.
A few days for us, a member of our fraternity had faced such horrendous acts of violence which is beyond thinkable. She had suffered so much, and that too in the line of duty. She was doing her work in the place where she thought that she had safety, but instead her life was taken away in spite of uh, the comfort which she thought she had. So we demand from the government a more safer, protected environment, not only for us, for our fraternity, but for every female uh, uh, workers, be it any field. It can be in the office, it can be in the schools, it can be in anywhere. We need to protect our dear sisters. They should feel safe to work. The environment where they can give their best, the service which they give their best to our people, to our society. So these few words, I really condemn this horrendous act which has happened in the government hospital in Kolkata, and I really wish the family, I condone my deepest condolences to the family, and may her soul rest in peace. Yes. So as a mark of, in terms with the Indian Medical Council has called for, just a mark of to show that a solidarity with the whole of the doctors fraternity of the country, we from Bethany hospitals will be not functioning our routine OPDs, but our emergency services will be available. Anyone can still come to the hospitals. Yes, routine OPDs is closed for tomorrow. Now, other works, emergency works will continue. Thank you.